Good evening, everyone.
Good
A
evening.
very warm welcome to all our participants to the online short-term course series brought to you by Skillveda. At Skillveda, our mission is to empower your growth through accessible, high-quality learning experiences from short-term courses to hands-on training sessions. Skillveda is your partner in skill development, offering a wide range of webinar, offline workshop, short-term courses and training programs designed to help you unlock your potential and achieve your career goals. It's our pleasure to welcome you to the class 4th of Jollyphonics course. Today we will be learning magical hands with vowels and classwork with group 123. A special welcome to our esteemed trainer, Ms. Devjani Das, a seasoned trainer and consultant with over 30 years of experience in the field of education to share her knowledge and insights. Welcome, Ms. Devjani Das.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So, after 3 days of gap, we will be starting. So, before we start, I would love to take a small classwork on the revision walk on group 1 to group 3. Then I will be answering a very important question asked by Harkirat ma'am. So, I will be discussing that. And then we will be shifting to group 4 and the magical letters or magical sound, that is the vowels. Okay, so first I will like to good evening. Because I found one or two uh submit, because we are having 10 participants and I'm getting only 4 5 uh assignment submission. So I would just like to remind you that if I'm not getting the assignments on time and all the assignments, if I'm not going to get, then there will be a difference in your gradation in your certificate. Good evening. Okay, so this is the first classwork. The time will be given to you 10 minutes. The time starts now. This is 7:05. I will be taking it within 7:15. Please click picture and send it to Jain ma'am's individual DM her individual message, and then we will start. So I'll start the new topic by 7:15. Who did this? I did it. So can you all see?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Oh,
Devjani ji, can we repeat the assignment because some few have joined later on the classwork right now which you have given.
Yeah, this is still there. I've not deleted it.
नहीं नहीं जैसे few people have joined later on ना तो what they have to do exactly.
It is all sound buttons. Sound buttons. Sound buttons and how many sounds are there. I want to see because those who have submitted, there are few wrong. Still, there are some confusions about the buttons. So, ma'am, if you can please mention in the group also that if the assignments are not give submitted and the classworks are not submitted, then there will be a
Already mentioned in the group
yeah,
already.
there
And
will be
please, whosoever is sending me the assignment, write your name on
write the
your
names.
sheet.
Yes, otherwise it will be difficult for both of us to identify.
Wait, that's a problem.
Because this whole thing will give you the accumulated gradation.
Yes, Nipa ji, I have received it.
Yeah, Nipaji, I have already seen there are still some mistakes. Quite a lot of mistakes are there. So, Rima ma'am, please submit it on time because I'm not getting any of your work. I just only got that curve for Caterpillar. That is only work I have received from your part. Because this is going to affect your grade in your certificate when you are going to get it. Then don't ask that why I've got so poor grade. Yeah, Nipa ma'am, you need to be a little bit clear about the sound button. Once all are done, or once I receive everyone's, I will again explain. Whose is this? Ma'am, whose is
Harvinder,
this?
Dr. Harvinder.
Oh, the name is written, but ma'am, can you just, Harvinder ma'am, can you just click the picture little properly so that all are visible because the upper one are not visible. Just send it once again. And don't write in cursive letter. When you are writing the sound and the sound button, please make sure you're writing in print or the Sassoon infant. Ha, Harvinder ma'am. This is Harvinder ma'am. Harvinder ma'am is very nice. Then whose is this? The last one? Ma'am?
हरविंदर मैम, हरविंदर जी, लास्ट जो आपके
दोनों का ही क्या हरविंदर मैम का है क्या?
मैंने दूसरे नंबर पे भेजा है, दूसरे नंबर से भी भेजा। उसमें चेक करो आप।
नहीं,
डबल डबल नाइन वाले से भेजा है एक, वो हरविंदर जी का है।
एक हरकिरत मैम के बाद में जो आप भेजे हैं
वो
वो।
नीपा जी है, वो शी इज नीपा।
हाँ हाँ, वो तो निपा जी का है, वो तो मैंने
एक
देख लिया।
आई हैव सेंड इट फ्रॉम अदर नंबर ऑल्सो, डबल नाइन वाले से भेजा है एक, वो चेक करो आप।
हाँ, वहां पर दो है। एक हरविंदर को वहां पर आप देखिए, अब दो ने दो भेजे। नहीं, दो नहीं, वो तो कल के भेजे थे ना हरविंदर का। आज का ये वाला है, हाँ। करेक्ट। नहीं, वही उसको मैम, फिर उसको थोड़ा क्लियरली पिक्चर उठा के आप भेजिए ना। परफेक्ट। परफेक्ट। 1 minute left. Yeah, yeah, now I got it. Kumkum ma'am, when you are putting sound buttons, the sound buttons are always marked with in a red ink, firstly. Secondly, they will be under the sound. Each sound will have each button under it. I'll show you once I receive everyone. It's over. It's over. I'll show you because still Tell me, Harkirat ma'am, how many sounds are here?
Um, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stick. S,
Right.
T, A, K. Stick. Yeah.
Yes.
4.
4. Right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how we are going to put the buttons?
Um, uh, beneath
S.
S, T, A, and
Right.
then there is digraph underline and then one dot underneath. So we will count
Right.
it 4.
Right. So are we going to put underline under S and T?
No,
No.
No. Why?
because they are giving only one sound. S, T, A.
They are
But
giving we can hear the individual sound.
individual sounds.
Though they
Yes.
are pronounced together, but we can hear both the sounds clearly. But in digraphs, so they are blending words. So, but digraphs are those words where two sounds giving rise to one single sound. Right? So there will be no underline here. If we put underline here, it is wrong. This is wrong. Am I clear, Nipa ma'am, now?
Yes, ma'am.
So now you understood where the wrong,
Yes,
where
ma'am.
you went wrong?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. And Kumkum ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
can you understand that the buttons are to be put under each sound?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Because you are identifying, you are making the kids identify why these buttons are important. Why I am making you do this every day? Because you need to first make the kids clear with the sound.
Yes.
If the sounds are not clear and they don't know how many sounds are there, then they won't be able to decode new words. Why phonics? Jolly Phonics helps the children to decode new unknown words by themselves. That is the main focus of Jolly Phonics. When you are teaching them the digraphs and blending, we do not need to explain them this is digraphs because a 4 years old won't be understand the terminologies. But when you are explaining them, you can tell them ki st. You can hear both and t. But when we are talking about k, stick, k, what sound you are hearing? K. So these two sounds giving rise to one sound.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's not talk about digraphs. This is for your knowledge that they are called digraphs
Okay.
and this is called blending. Right?
Okay,
This
ma'am.
you can explain them when they are in class 1. So then that time they can identify which are digraphs and which are trigraphs, quadrigraphs, and the blending words.
Okay, ma'am. Now it makes sense that
Now it makes sense?
because we can choose some class where we need to teach the rules, and we can choose a lower class where we can start from very basic, very
Yes. See,
yeah.
the rules will be there. Okay.
Yes.
But you need not use those terminology. Instead of using those terminology, you just give them an explanation.
Yeah, that is why I was confused how 3 or 4 year kid is going to understand.
No,
But now it is
4 years
clear.
kabhi bhi will not understand they won't be able to pronounce digraphs. Correct. So these are for the teachers. Initially, you have to know that why digraphs and what is the blending. What is the difference between digraphs and blending words? Blending sound. Right. So now it is clear that these are the digraphs and these are the blendings. So when you are explaining them, how will you explain them? Ki for st, why there will be single individual sound button? Because you can hear st separately, individually. You can also make them do some enactment also on that. Right? Doesn't matter. Let him come or let her come and see. Let her also learn. Doesn't matter. Okay.
I have a question.
Yes.
And with that double L's.
That there is a rule. There is a rule, Harvinder ma'am. Today I will be doing that.
Yeah.
That is rule number 1 of Jolly
Okay.
Phonics. I will be
Okay.
doing that. I will
Acha.
be doing with 2 rules today. The vowel rule and this rule. So
Okay.
I told you there are 7 rules
Yes.
in Jolly Phonics. So what actually Harkirat ma'am asked, ki, how we are going to talk about diagraphs and blending with the children of 4 years old. Right.
4 years.
So you you don't need to use these terms. Instead of using this terminology, you can explain them. Rule number
I
1,
have a
what is the
question.
rule of the classroom? You don't talk loudly. So same, in Jolly Phonics, there is one rule. Just like that, Now, this is how you need to modify. See, these are the guidelines. As I told you in the first class or the second class, that this is the guidelines, basic guidelines. Now, how you will be implementing this in the class? Because you know your student better than what I know. How much they can take. Right? So when you are entering the classroom, you need to know your student much better way, and accordingly you will give the explanation. Of course, when a teacher of class 1 entering and talking about stick, they can always talk about the blending sound and the diagraphs. Because by class 1, they will start decoding quite big unknown words. Because by the time they reach there, they will be understanding the terms. But of course, when you are introducing the groups for the 4 years, you need not to use those diagraphs or blend.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Once we start with group 1, the children should know ABC A to Z, or we can start with
No, just blank. Because it will be easy for you, Harvinder ma'am, if you start at the first go.
is the first group.
Yes. Go for the all the group,
So-
7 groups. Okay.
So writing also they learn like that?
Yes, because they will write the small ones, then they will write the tall, up tall and down tall. There is a system of writing. That also I will teach you how it goes.
Okay.
If you
No,
see
because I
this,
was seeing in this because t again is tall and they are
in the middle.
so that was my concern,
Yeah,
that how to teach them
I will
writing.
show you how the writing will go.
Okay.
That will I'll show you. And once you complete group till group 7, then
Okay.
you can ask, because the identification is done.
Yeah.
Now you can start with the seriations.
Okay.
So that by the time when they know all the sound, they will be able to identify the sound, and you can ask them to make the seriation also.
Okay.
Go and bring b, go and bring k. Okay, and accordingly they can put the objects. Clear, ma'am?
Yeah.
Okay. So blending and diagraphs. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now we will do. Any questions? No, there is no question. Okay. Now we will have this magical hand. How many fingers are there? We have 5 fingers. And there are 5 magical sounds. Ah, eh, I, oh, ah. They are magic. They can do magic, you know. They can do magic. So, the first assignment that I will write again for you. But remember, this is the first assignment. You have to do a craft work, making a hand like this with putting letters, the sounds like this. Now you can create your own hand. You can put the sounds. Okay, this is
Yes.
your second craft assignment. You can make it with the gloves. You can put those surgical gloves and you can put the sound. I'm giving you the ideas.
Okay.
Okay. Or you can just make a stick puppet. Just draw a hand, put the sound, and put a stick. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So this is your second. So what is the rule now we are going to learn? The vowel hand, it's a special class. So vowels make 2 sounds. So they are very special. Why they are special? You tell them that why they are special, why we are calling that they are magical, why they are so special. Because they make 2 sounds. That is the long sound and a short sound. So long sound is what? The long sound is the name of that letter. That is A. And the short sound is the sound that we are learning with an action. That is ah, and on the arm. Ah, and on the arm. Is the explanation clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
So why they first the
Please-
vowel hand?
Please
the
repeat
spec-
it, ma'am. Because I was making some notes, that's why.
Yeah,
Please.
I will. Of course, I will.
Thank you.
The 5. Today we are going to introduce the 5 magical sound. The magical hand. Ah, eh, I, oh, ah. So why they are so special? Why we are calling it magical? What is special? Because they have 2 sounds. One is their name and other one is the sound that we learn with the action. How? The first one is ah, ant on the arm. And what is the name of ah? A. Then egg, egg. And what is the name of E? Inky the mouse. Inky the mouse is the sound we can hear and do it with action. But what is the name of this letter? The name is I. Then on, off, on, off. What is the name of this sound, this letter? It is O. This is O. Umbrella. Umbrella. This is the sound we can hear. But what is the name? The name is U. The name is U. Clear? Harkirat ma'am, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Now, the rule number 1. The story goes like this. 2 vowel friends. They are walking together in a park. Now, both are talking. What is your name? My name is. when we both start talking, suppose me and Harkirat ma'am starts talking at the same time. Now, Sukhvinder ma'am and Harvinder ma'am will look at us like this. Come on, please, only one. We cannot hear both of you together. Don't we say this in the classroom? One by one, not all together. We cannot hear you. So now they decided, okay, both of us will not talk at the same time. So the first vowel will only do the talking. The second vowel will keep quiet.
Right.
So the second vowel got angry. He said, okay, I'm going to keep quiet. So you cannot use your sound. You have to take your name. You have to use your name. You cannot use your sound. So do you want to see the fun of this? I'll show you. Wait. I'll show you the fun.
Vowels go walking. Sometimes the first vowel does the talking. When two vowels go walking, sometimes the
Can you
first
hear?
vowel does the talking. They walk together in words like this. The O, A in boat are vowels. When you say the word boat, you only hear the O sound. Boat, boat, boat.
We don't see
The E, A in beat are vowels. When you say the word beat, you only hear the E sound.
Hear the word
Beat, beat. The A, I in rain are vowels. When you say the word rain, you only hear the A sound. Rain, rain, rain. The O, A in coat are vowels. When you say the word coat, you only hear the O sound. Coat, coat, coat. When two vowels go walking, sometimes the first vowel does the talking. When two vowels go walking, sometimes the first vowel does the talking. Walk together in words like this. The A, I in train are vowels. When you say the word train, you only hear the A sound. Train, train, train. The I, E in pie are vowels. When you say the word pie, you only hear the I sound. Pie, pie, pie. The O, E in toe are vowels. When you say the word toe, you only hear the O sound. Toe, toe, toe. The E, A in team are vowels. When you say the word team, you only hear the E sound. Team, team, team. When two vowels go walking, sometimes the first vowel does the talking. Sometimes the first vowel does the talking.
So how was it?
Nice, very nice.
So now you know why when
So easy to explain.
Yeah. Yes. And that was with story also.
Yeah.
Story also, yeah.
with a story. This is the fun and beauty of Jolly Phonics. You have explanations. See, it was for when we learned phonics, this kind of explanations were not there.
Not there. Yeah.
So what we used to do, we used to say these are the special words.
Yeah. Why it was not there? Why?
Why was not there? It wasn't clear.
Yeah.
It was not structured, rather.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
now the answers are there.
Yeah.
So now you can explain them like this is the rule 1. Like we cannot shout in the classroom. So when
Yes.
these two friends, you can make them do enactment.
Hmm.
Like, and you can call the two kids from the classroom and ask them to go and walk in a park and let them do the talking. So then you can say, can you hear them? Because both are talking.
Yes.
And you can label them with the sounds. Like so one will be A and one will be I. And this is how, then it will be, it is the experiential learning time we are going through because NEP wants experiential learning. So more of enactment, role play is, the more you do it, the more the fun classroom will be.
Hmm.
And I believe that if we come out of our comfort zone and if we start practicing this, but this all needs prior
Planning.
absolutely plan. So, in a class, it will not take more than 10 minutes or 15 minutes to do the explanation. If we know what I have to do in the classroom, what kind of activity I will be doing, so this can be an introductory class. So your introductory class will be over by 10 to 15 minutes. Then rest of the 15 minutes, you can do the revision. And the next day, you can do the classwork. It will be much, much easier for you to do the explanation of the classrooms. Now, this is the terms defined. So first off, we know that digraphs are the two letters coming together to make one sound. This combination is called digraph. So all the combinations over here are digraphs. So what are the combinations? Vowel to vowel, consonant to consonant, and vowel to consonant. So vowel to vowel, consonant to consonant, and vowel to consonant. Now, diphthong. See, digraphs, diphthong, you can explain. No need of explaining to the kids of 4 years. These are all for your senior KG and class 1. So there is a difference between diphthong and the digraphs. Digraphs are vowel to vowel, vowel to consonant, consonant to consonant. But diphthong are only when two vowels coming together. They are called diphthongs. So all diphthongs are digraphs, but all digraphs are not diphthong.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Is it clear for everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, give us few seconds to write also. Just few
Yeah, yeah.
seconds.
No, I will be giving you the notes. Don't worry about it.
Kirat ji, you will be getting notes in the group
The
only.
notes, इसका पूरा notes मिल जाएगा आपको. एकदम
Yeah.
with the definitions.
See, I'm that kind of always holding pen and until I'm not writing
That's a
with
very
my
good very good habit. That's a very good habit. The more you write, because हम लोग तो आजकल we have forgotten to write. Yeah, but it's good that you are writing. So this is what. Finished writing, Harkirat ma'am? Okay. So today we will be starting with the group 4. Okay. In group 4, we have most of the digraphs. Okay. See, there are a lot of digraphs. A-I, J, O-A, I-E, E-E, O-R. So how we are going to do it? A-I. A.
A.
A. A.
I.
A. I cannot hear you. A.
A.
A. Have you all? We have all in our childhood, we have seen those jelly, how it wriggles? It wriggles when we pour it out of the mold. It jiggles,
Yeah.
right? It jiggles.
Pickles.
Jiggles. O-A. Oh, when we are surprised. Oh.
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 I-E. I. The Navy person. I, Captain.
I.
I, Captain.
I.
Yes.
I.
And
I.
O-R. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
So
Oh.
let's hear the sound clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say? Jelly and jam, jiggling on a plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree?
Captain said,
The captain said aye, aye. The captain said aye, aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye, aye.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to say this.
See the
Double E. There was double E. I think I forgot to say. So we have all seen the donkey here. Can we all make like donkey here? Can I have all the videos on today? It will be good to see everybody becoming a donkey,
Yes.
showing the donkey here. So it is oh.
Oh.
How donkey says oh.
Oh.
So we are all donkey today again. Oh. Oh. This is the way the donkey.
Oh.
Yes. See.
The donkey in its stall, E-O, is its call.
Good? Good to go?
Yes.
So can we do another work on group 4? See, the more you do the sound buttons, you will see that your confidence is going up, 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 up. And you will be... Okay, I'll do the rule number 2 also once because it has already come from Harvinder ma'am. This rule is called when in a short word, I'll just write it down. I think if I write, it will be easier for you to understand. In a short word with a short vowel sound ending with sounds. When we are writing sound, how we do write the sound?
In the parenthesis that.
Yes. So in a short word with a short vowel sound ending with the sounds s and l, you just double them.
Okay.
You just double them. Or there is another one. Got it? How? What are the sounds like?
It's brass.
Eh.
It's not a, it's
Eh,
eh,
Eh.
eh,
Eh.
eh,
eh,
eh.
A.
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 If L comes, it will just simply get double. Right?
A.
B,
Then
L,
Miss.
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 what happens? It
Cliff.
just gets double.
clip,
So when we write the sound buttons, the same.
And now, yes, when you are writing the sound button, what will you do? You will simply put same as diagrams you have
Yeah.
done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You will put one line
And the dot.
because both you are not hearing double L sound separately.
No.
Yeah.
They are making one single sound.
One single sound.
So it
So
will
we
be,
had done the same. Yeah.
you have
This
done the
only
same,
I
correct?
had it out. Yeah.
Yes, no, but you have done it correctly.
Yes. Yes.
So this is a single sound,
Yeah. Single sound.
right?
But I was thinking whether it is right or not.
No,
Because
that
it
was
was
right.
not told in the class now. So I
No,
thought,
no. Yeah, that was a trick
yeah,
because I wanted to
trick.
do it today. So this
Yes,
is rule
yes.
number 2.
Okay.
Okay.
This is rule number 2. So rule number 3 is same. I will give you, don't worry, I'll give you. Yeah. In a short word with a short vowel sound ending with. Now, K never comes alone. I told you earlier also. Whenever
Yes.
there is a K sound at the end of the word, K never comes alone. It tags along. If it is K, it always
E. I in
tags C with it. Okay. How?
click. Click. Flick.
How we all know?
Yeah.
What
Pick.
other word it can be? Who can tell me?
Pick. Click. Flick.
Yes. Arey, I mean, I'm not reduce it. It's going. Wait. You can write. Tell me. Pick,
Click.
Click.
click,
Flick.
flick,
Stick.
trick,
Prick. Stick.
break,
Stick.
Break.
stick. So we can keep on adding to it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So this is your third rule. So today we learned 3 rules, right?
Zero. Yeah.
Rule number 1 is when 2 vowels go walking, only one does the talking. That is the first one will talk, but it can only say its name,
Name.
not the sound. The second rule is when in a short word with a short vowel, if the word ends with s, f, l, and z, it gets double.
Double.
When a short word
Word.
ending with
The
k with a short vowel ending with k, that's a K. K never comes at the end alone. It always, नहीं आप चलो, मैं नहीं अकेला, I cannot go alone. Like whenever I have a training, I ask Miss Jain, ma'am, आप चलो, I cannot go alone. So she's my C, I'm the K. Okay. So this is how so you can give this kind of funny examples in the class, you know. So whenever there are
we
some
can-
two best friends
yes,
sitting in
yes,
the class,
yes.
you can say X always tags along Y when they are going to washroom.
Yeah,
Okay?
washroom, they do that. Yeah.
That is the washroom,
Yes,
pani pina.
yeah.
There are,
Having
so
tiffins
एक साथ
together.
चलो ना हम लोग एक साथ जाते हैं. So
Yes.
you can always put that kind of funny examples to give them, you know, to make them the understanding more clear. You know, the more you become there, you know, you get them to their level, the understanding becomes more easier for them to understand. Okay, so I will give you an assignment from group 1 to 4 today. And is there any questions? Because I don't want to, because आज बहुत सारे rules करवा दिए.
Very clear now.
Very clear now?
It's
So we have much more interesting things are coming up. So your two assignments will be there. One is to prepare the hand
yeah.
with magical sound,
Wow.
vowels, that you can do it any which ways. I've given you the ideas. You can make it with the surgical gloves. You can make just a hand cut out and put the sound with you know, putting a stick around or anything, something like that. And the second one, I will be giving you 1 to 4 sound button worksheets.
Okay.
Right? Anything else you want to ask today? All the explanations were okay, all good?
Yes.
Yes.
I'll get.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Harkirat ma'am, आपका जो the question you have, it's clear now?
Yes.
Okay. Am I being able to make things clear and interesting?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Very clear. Yes.
Yes, Harkirat ma'am. Most of the sound in group 4 are digraphs. Only j is there.
Only
It
one.
is alone the
Only
single
one.
sound. Yes. Because now we will be having more of, you know, digraphs and diphthongs.
Okay.
Okay.
Dear spelling is
Or kuch?
Can we, Debjani ji, can we summarize the rules and a little bit about the
Once
class?
I'll do that.
Yes.
I'll do that. So first rule. Today first is the magical hand. Right?
Yeah.
Why they are called magical hand? Why these sounds are called magical?
Because it has two sounds,
Two
long
sounds.
and
Has
short.
two sounds. They're good, long and short.
Long
Short.
and
Long
short.
is the name of
Name
the
of the letter.
and the second one, the short is the sound
Sound.
Sound
that
or
we do with
action.
the action. Like ants on the arm. Ink in the
in the
mouse. Egg. And right? So
Yes,
they are
ma'am.
very special. So they are called the special vowel classes. Now, the second one is the vowel. When two vowels, they walk together, they go to the park, and both of them are talking, but nobody can hear what they're talking. So then they decided that one will talk, the other will keep quiet. So the second one decided to keep quiet, the first
The
one
first-
will talk. But the second one was very angry. Said, why will you do the talking? Because I'm not being able to do the talking, so you cannot use your sound. You have to take your name. So when two vowels go talking, the first one does all the talking, but it can take only the name,
Name.
right? Then the third one is when in a short word with a short vowel, if the word is ending with s, l, and
L.
s, it just get double.
Doubles.
The fourth one is when you hear, when in a short word, if it comes after, K comes after a short vowel, what happens?
It always starts with C. C.
Like me and Miss Jen. We are always together. I tag along with her. Chalo bolke. So this is it. So we have learned, and we have learned the group 4. Group 4 is, group 4 again, let's do group 4 once again. Yes, let's do group 4 once again. It's very nice.
My ear hurt, I was in pain. A. My ear hurt, I was in pain. What did you try to say? Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Jab, 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 jab. Oh, did you see the billy goat? Oh, 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 oh. Did you see the billy goat under the old oak tree? The captain said aye, aye. The captain said aye, aye. Stand up straight, don't be late. The captain said aye, aye.
Let's all become donkey.
See the donkey in its stall. E-O, is its call.
E-O. E-O. It's not or. Okay. Never pronounce r at the end. It's E-O. 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 So we did group 4. Okay?
Yes.
Any doubts?
Yeah, I have only one doubt. In the group 4, when the two vowels go together like A-I, O-A, E-E, O-R, first vowel give the sound, but in I and E, I think it should be
I.
pronounced like E. Why this I? Because I is giving the
I.
long vowel sound.
I, because you have to only take the name of that. I-E, I. You cannot say the short sound.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
You cannot say, even
Got
for
it.
AI, you're
Yeah.
not saying a. You're saying a.
A.
Pain, train, rain.
Oh,
It's not rain, pain. It's not like that. It's rain, pain, train, a. So when two vowels go talking, the first one will do the talking, but it cannot take its sound. It can only call its name.
So I have a doubt in this.
Hmm.
Like, if now when we write the buttons for this, what do we do? Because this is while saying this,
Diphthong.
we are,
This is a diphthong,
that same
digraph.
diphthong.
Yes, digraph. This is digraph because AI is giving rise to one single
One
sound.
word. So,
Yes, absolutely. They are digraphs. They are in digraphs. They are diphthongs,
yes.
right? Because when vowel together giving rise to one single sound, it is diphthong.
Yes.
So we learned diphthong also.
Yeah.
Any doubts?
Any doubt? Any more? We are here.
No, ma'am.
Oh,
Thank
We
you.
will be
Thank you
sharing the
so much.
notes also in the group.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
After
I'll
seeing
send
the
the worksheet in the group
Yeah.
to ma'am. It will go, and the craft assignment I've already told you.
Yes.
Okay.
if
If
any
you have
doubt,
any
you
doubt
can
about the
mention
craft,
in the group also. जैसे हरकिरत जी mentioned in the group ना, तो if
Yes.
you have any doubt, please mention in the group.
Okay,
yeah,
ma'am.
yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, fine. I think doubts are cleared now.
Mm.
Yes.
Groups are cleared now.
Yes.
We will be meeting on Thursday,
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
same time at 7. And we will be
Yes.
sharing your notes and assignments in the group by tomorrow.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah,
absolutely.
fine. Thank you everyone for
Thank
joining
you.
us.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
Devjani ji.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks
you
a
so
lot.
much, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank
a
you,
lot.
ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.